If you're running a business with a team or you're working with a marketing vendor, you already know how easy it is for content to become scattered, inconsistent, or disconnected from your strategy. The Strategic Content Planning and Writing Assistant was built for this exact scenario. It helps you or your team create clear, consistent content for the month ahead with messaging that's aligned with your goals, your offer, and your audience. First, you'll identify your offer for the month and give the tool context about your brand voice and intended customer. The tool will then ask strategic questions about your audience's mindset and their buying journey, so the content it generates doesn't just fill space, it moves your customer. Once those inputs are captured, the assistant maps out content themes, engagement angles, and platform-specific messaging that reflects your goals and your tone. The tool generates 20 fully written pieces of content and presents them in a downloadable content calendar that includes dates, platforms, goals, and copy. It's designed to give your in-house marketing team or your marketing vendor a ready-to-execute plan that keeps the brand voice intact and the content moving forward without needing constant approvals or rewrites. This tool is your content strategist and copywriter in one. Use it monthly to build smarter campaigns, to prep for launches, or to hand off strategy and content to your vendor or team member with confidence. You don't have to create content from scratch every month. You just need a system that helps you show up intentionally, and the Strategic Content Planning and Writing Assistant is here to support you. So buy the Strategic Content Planning and Writing Assistant today and start planning content that is clear, that is consistently on brand, and moves your customer to saying yes to your offer.